Here we have an HP Spectre 15-inch that came in for no power. No power at all. This is the laptop right here. It's a nice laptop, but it does not power on. What good is it having a good laptop if it does not power on? Without wasting too much time, I want to quickly do physical inspection on the motherboard just to see if there's anything obvious. And then we'll see if we can do some measurements of certain components. Capacitors, filters. Check the board under a thermal can. But before anything, we always do physical inspection to see if we have a burn mark, we have a blown component, or anything that may be obvious. And look at that. Look at that. That's a blown MOSFET. I do feel the bump. Let me just clean it a bit. Yeah, it's a blown MOSFET. Gate is shortened to ground. Short to ground and short to ground. Let's continue with the inspection and then we'll come back to it. Alright, that's it for physical inspection as far as this side of the board goes. I'm not going to remove the board off the laptop right now. For some reason this MOSFET is stuck. Something is holding that MOSFET down. Okay, so now that we remove this MOSFET, and by the way, this is a dual channel MOSFET, and I do not think that I have this MOSFET in stock, but I'm curious to know if that laptop will charge or even turn on. Let me plug power. And yes, 20 volts at 1.5 amps. It was not doing that before. So now the laptop is taking a charge, and let's power it on and see if we get anything on the screen. And the heatsink is hot. And look at this. Laptop is fixed. What I need to do right now is order that MOSFET, solder it back on the board, and mail this back to the customer. But the laptop is working, and that MOSFET was what was causing the laptop not to power on. I do not know the job of that MOSFET on the board, honestly, but the laptop is working now. We're going to order that same MOSFET, solder it back on, and mail it back to the customer. So that was a quick fix. We were able to quickly figure out what was wrong with this laptop by doing physical inspection. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.